Good day everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be working on clipping, or how to clip using QGIS. Clipping is all about extracting a small area from a larger area, extracting a particular place from a larger area. So to do that, I'm going to be adding my layers that I will need for that work. So I'm going to come to layer here, then add layers, then add vector layer. I'm going to select, go to browse to where my layer are. I'm going to come to NG admin. This is where my layers are. I'm going to be selecting 1, 2, and 3. These are the layers I'm using. I'm actually using 1 and 2 actually. So I'm going to select OK, add it, then close it. Now we have NG admin 2 and NG admin 1. Now, this admin 2 shows all the local governments in Nigeria, and a admin 1 shows all the states in Nigeria. I'm going to be labeling it so that we can see that. So I'm going to right click and come to show labels and properties to select the appropriate label. I'm going to be changing it to name 1. That's where the Nigerian states are. Yes, you can see all the states in Nigeria here. So I'm going to be extracting particular area. Now what I want to extract for this tutorial, I'm going to be extracting Niger State here out of all the Nigerian states. I only want to see Niger State boundary and not all other states. How am I going to do that? There are several ways of doing that. What I'm going to show in this tutorial is I'm going to right click on ngAdmin 1 and I'm going to open attribute table. Now in this attribute table, just search for the area of interest, your area of interest, which in my own it is Niger State. I'm going to search for Niger State here, and this is Niger State. So I'm not going to select only Niger State like this, but I'm going to be selecting this number here that represents Niger State here, the extreme column. By selecting like this, it's going to highlight the whole row, and after you have selected the whole row, you can see on your screen that it has highlighted on your Canva too that Niger State is highlighted. You can now close your attribute table now or minimize as the case may be. So right click on the ngAdmin 1 again and come to export. Now there are save feature as and there are save select feature as. We're going to be selecting save selected features as because this has been selected. Niger State has been selected already. So we are going to be exporting the selected one. So we are going to click on it and I'm going to select the format. I want my format to be in S3 shapefile. There are other files here. You have AutoCAD DXF, but today we are going to be working with shapefile. So I'm going to select my shapefile and I'm going to browse here to rename it and put it in the appropriate location. So I'm going to be selecting it as Niger State. Is in my document. So I'm going to save it and I'm going to apply OK. And don't forget that the coordinate system is the same with the one I brought in. So I'm going to select OK. You can see that it has brought out my state of interest alone, and this which is here as Niger State. Now we have another one here which is ngAdmin 2, which shows all the local government in Nigeria. Now I want to extract all the local government in Niger State inside Niger State alone and not see the whole Nigeria. Now how we're going to do that is a bit different from the way we extracted Niger State out of Nigeria. And how we're going to do that is by coming to our geoprocessing toolbox here. If you cannot see your processing toolbox, just come to processing and you see toolbox here. So I'm going to select toolbox again. Then we are going to search for clip. I've already searched it here. You cannot see it here. Just search for clipping or clip. There are so many clips here. Actually, 2 clips. The second one what we are selecting, or the one under vector overlay. So I'm going to be double clicking on it. It's going to bring me here. Now it's selecting Niger State, Niger State. Now the input data is going to be the main layer that contains all the local government in Nigeria, which is ngAdmin 2, and the overlay layer is going to be Niger State. That's what we are extracting out to. So I'm going to be selecting it like this. That is, the input layer is the main layer, while the overlay layer is the extracted to layer. So I'm going to click on run and I'm going to close it, and from here I can make off this and off this. You can see that we have all the local government in Niger State already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this and first rename it to Niger State LGA. Selected that, and I'm going to right click and show labels. Also right click and come to properties because it's showing Nigeria for all. I'm going to be changing the column, which is I'm going to select here and change it to name _2. So I'm going to apply it and I'm going to click OK. You can see all the local government in Niger State. We have Bako, we have Bida, we have Boso, we have Paikoro and all that. So you can, if you look to the right of the layer name, you can see that this thing here, this icon here, which shows that temporary sketch layer only. That is, this layer is not saved on your laptop. Unlike when we save Niger State here, we saved it on our PC and not inside this QGIS environment. So if I select this like this, it's going to take me to where to save it to my computer. So I'm going to browse here again. I'm going to save it as Niger State with LGA. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to click OK. And you can see that this Niger State with LGA has no the icon is not in front of it again. And this is actually how to extract features from features. That is how to clip a particular area from larger area. Thank you very much and God bless.